The industry and the customers are looking for seamless connectivity or easier connectivity from field to the cloud, and how they are looking for moving towards an open architecture than having fixed protocol. I am Ranjan Singh Chadha, National Sales Manager for Festo India Private Limited. Festo is coming up with a solution where we talk of seamless connectivity, where we say we help you easily have connectivity from any of the field devices to the cloud. So field devices could be from our process automation products of butterfly valves, ball valves, going through our wall terminals, going through our electrical devices of motor controller, and ensuring through a platform we are able to connect to the cloud. So it's easier and seamless connectivity which can collaborate with any protocol and any other scenario. Festo, we have completed 100 years globally into automation solutions ranging from process automation, pneumatic automation and electrical automation, and ensuring that we have seamless connectivity from field devices to the cloud. I invite all our valued customers to visit us at our stall or stall number 24, Hall A in INTEC 2026.